All right, so we're up in the house. Get this scale here. See how much this stuff weighs. Move that to the side. We just take this chard here, set it back there for a minute. I may weigh that too, see how much it weighs. We'll dump this out. Alright, let's see here. Got that zeroed out. Make it hard to see, but I can see it. Alright, see what we weigh here. I think it's about a pound or at least close to it. That's 7 ounces. Remember, we got 10.3 or 10.6 last time, and we'll get a chance to see exactly which one it was, 10.3 or 10.6 ounces. Oh, I was right. So that's 503. I'm not. What is it? 532 grams. Ounces. We are at. Look at that. Yeah, this scale you can't hardly see. Anyway, 1 pound and 1 pound 2 and 3/4. That's 1 pound, 2 ounces and 3/4. All right. So yeah, that's almost it's close to 1.3 grams. If I add this, I mean 1.3 grams, 1.3 ounces. I can't get it right, could I? So anyway, okay, so if I would add the 10 ounces from last time, this is about 2 pounds of beans that we picked within the last 1 week. That's 2 pounds of beans in 1 week. These beans at the store, the non-organic ones, I looked at the other day at Whole Foods Market, and they was $2.99 for non-organic. I gotta go back and see how much the organic ones are, but I'm pretty sure they're probably about $4.99 per pound. So with that being said, $4.99 per pound. This plus what we picked last time, that's 2 pounds. That makes about $10 worth of beans. So we have harvested $10 worth of beans over the last 6-7 days, 5, 6, 7 days, over however much it's been, however long it's been. All right, let's see how much chard we picked. Yeah. Oh, I had 1 bean stuck inside the chard there. Wait a minute here. So if I was to try it again, y'all, because I made short of myself just a little bit. Try it one more time. That could have been 1 pound and 3 ounces instead of 1 pound and 2 and 3/4 ounce. Yep, look at that. I had a bean over there stuck in the chart. So anyway, so yeah, 1 pound, exactly 1. Look at it, drop down on it, whatever. Let's keep moving. So we just call it 1 pound 3 ounces on the dot. 1 pound 3 ounces on the dot. So let's weigh this chart. Got it. We got it zeroed out. Weigh this chart. Rainbow chart, salvage away. chard, however you want to say it. Let me see. So that's 4 7/8, which is pretty much 5 ounces. Close enough to 5 ounces. What's one of my dirty little scale right here? So anyway, it's about 5 ounces of chard. And man, we picked chard. We picked about that much. At least about 7 times. So if it's 5 ounces, right? If we picked that much 7 times, then 7 times 5. That's my math's so terrible nowadays. 7 times 5 is 35. Yeah, 7 times 5 is 35. So it'd be 35 ounces, which is about, let's see, 2 pounds. Because 1 pound equals 16 ounces, so that's about 2 pounds and 3 ounces. Yeah, 2 pounds, 3 ounces. And that's been about a couple of weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks. 2 pounds, 3 ounces. And this stuff here, I can't remember exactly how much it costs at the Whole Food Market. But anyway, so if it was, let me see. I'm not even gonna guess it because I don't think they set it per pound. I think they set it per bundle. Anyway, so that's it, y'all. We got that chard, did we? We got those green beans too, did we? Yeah, we did. Yes, we did. So much. See how it look right here. All right. There's some for the. No, I don't say that. So anyway, that make a nice little picture, right? Yeah, make a nice little picture. This little funny looking one, man. We'll put it on the bottom somewhere. I don't like the way that would look. Hide that one. Anyway, there it is, y'all. All right, so that's that. And I appreciate y'all for joining me. Look at my little dirty back window here. I gotta clean this thing up. Anyway, so thank y'all again for joining me, and I'll be catching y'all on the next video. Y'all be good.